How to fix GCash app account is on hold. If you want to fix if your GCash app account is on hold, there are several ways to fix it depending on the reason for the hold. The first is routine verification. Check your email or SMS to basically go ahead and then basically hold on for future verification. You will receive a notification. You can submit a ticket by simply going to GCash Help Center, right? So you can go ahead and type in your browser GCash support, and once you have done that basically, so I'll just go ahead and type in GCash support, then you'll be able to submit a ticket for the help center, and then you'll be able to fix if your account is on hold by simply trying to contact with GCash support team over here. Now you can wait for verification because sometimes GCash will review your documents and lift the hold if everything checks out. So I hope that this video helped you provide enough information as to what you can do to recover your account. You can talk to this virtual assistant over here. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.